In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budget tracking. Whether you're managing your personal finances or overseeing a project's budget, Monday.com offers a variety of tools to make tracking expenses and allocations straightforward and efficient. Let's dive in and explore how to get set up. First off, you'll want to begin by accessing your Monday.com dashboard. Once you're there, locate the plus sign at the top of the screen. Clicking this will allow you to add a new board. A board in Monday.com is essentially your workspace where you can organize, track, and manage your projects. For budget tracking, a board will help you keep tabs on all your financial activities in one place. Next, as you prepare to set up your board, look for the small arrow beside the board title on your new boards page. When you click on this arrow, it will provide additional configuration options. These settings will allow you to personalize how you wish to see and manage your budget information. Take a moment to get familiar with these options, as understanding them will empower you to fully utilize the flexibility Monday.com provides. In the next step, you'll want to leverage the convenience of templates. Monday.com offers a wide range of templates to streamline your setup process. To access these, click on the Start with Template option. Templates are pre-structured models that cater to various kinds of workflows, so they save you time by providing a foundational setup that you can modify to suit your specific needs. Instead of starting from scratch, you can jump straight into organizing your budget plan. Now, you need to find the right template for budget tracking. You can do this by heading to the search bar and typing in budget. This search will provide you with a list of templates that are ideal for managing your budget. It's essential to select a template that aligns closely with the kind of budgeting you plan on tracking, as this will help make the process smoother and more efficient. Once you've found a suitable template, you'll see an option for Budget Plan. Click on this to view the template specifics. This will give you a deeper understanding of what the template includes and how it can meet your budget tracking requirements. Each template is equipped with different columns and functionalities that cater to various aspects of budget management. Finally, to put the template to use, click on Use Template. This action will integrate the chosen template into your board, enabling you to start filling in details specific to your budget. You can begin by adding items, setting categories, and plugging in figures for expenses and income. Monday.com allows customization, so feel free to adjust columns, formulas, and visuals as needed to reflect your financial setup accurately. And there you have it. You've set up your board for budget tracking on Monday.com. Review, refine, and keep track of your expenditure efficiently with these steps. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy budgeting,